In this video, we'll examine Spotfire's inbuilt filters. Okay, so let's go to Open Files, and let's open Employee Sales. Here, it's an Excel spreadsheet, and we'll just click on OK to open up Employee Sales. Close this because we want to look at the table visualization. Okay, so here's the table data for Employee Sales. Now, what we want to do is we want to view filters. So you can go select View and select Filters here, and you can see the Filters panel comes up on the right-hand side. Now, if you want that to come up by default whenever you open an analysis file, just go to Tools, Options, and on the Document tab, you can select Filters panel opens by default if you want that to happen. Let's just cancel that because we're not going to make that happen. Filters are automatically created by Spotfire. They can be customized or hidden, but they're always under the hood. When you filter data, you're not removing any data from the data set. You're just hiding it from your analysis as you see fit. Now, each filter here has a header so that we can scroll down and we can see the header for each filter. So we've got a filter for each header that we have here, each column, and Spotfire selects a different type of filter depending on the type of data that you've got. And for example, here we've got a small number of unique values here or distinct values like employee ID, first name, specifically department here or territory. And other filters where there's a large range of data like salary from 35,000 to 50,000 is more appropriately a slider. And the same thing with sales down here. You can also specify to include empty values. And that's what we've done here because there are empty values in sales. Now, notice one other thing. Now let's click on our sales here to uncheck the sales department. And you'll see that only the marketing department shows up in our table visualization. Same thing with sales. If we click on marketing to uncheck that, then we'll only see sales. And notice that the other filters changed because there is no hire date of 6/1/2009 for sales department. There is no person with the last name of Reeves or Waddell in sales because we've unselected marketing, so we're only seeing sales. So you can see that it does actually change the data that's presented for you to filter in the other filters as well. You can then also reset all of your filters by clicking the Reset All Filters icon on the toolbar. And the Reset All Filters icon on the toolbar is right here. Reset All Filters. So let's actually set a couple of other filters. Let's go in here and we'll unselect EU and US. We'll also change our salary. Okay, we will not include empty values. Okay, so now we've got a number of different filters set. So if we wanted to quickly eliminate all those filters or reset all those filters, then again, we just come over here to the Reset All Filters icon, click on it, and all of our filters are reset to where they were to begin with. Okay, so in this video, we had a look at Spotfire's inbuilt filters.